this gear is perfect for this scenario. There's very little hazards, potential hazards. But if it was a different road, even now, you've slowed a bit, drop third. Make sense?
It's a lot smoother.
Yeah. So, right at length. 10 seconds ahead. Look at that green arrow. And always look at the further light. Because notice in that scenario that the further light showed the green arrow. The nearest one didn't. So if you're just looking at the nearest light all the time, is there a potential chance that you'll miss that green arrow? Yeah. So use the nearest one to do your slowing down, but when there's any thought of going again, be looking at the furthest one. Yeah, always 10 seconds ahead if you can.